Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video. Here in today's video, I'll go ahead and show you how to change or switch your default search engine Yahoo to Google on your Chrome browser. And also if you found that it keeps changing Google to the Yahoo automatically, then we'll solve the problem at the same time. So let's get started with the video. First thing first, if I open my Chrome browser, here as you can see, my default search engine is Yahoo right now. So in order to change this to the Google, just all you need to do, just go ahead and click on this three-dot icon at the top of the right corner, and then simply go to the settings from here. And then from this action menu, just go ahead and click on search engine. And then from the first option, you'll get to see the option over here. If you click over here, you'll get to see three different options available. So if you click on Google, and then your default search engine will be changed to the Google automatically. So let's check this out. If I open a new tab from here as you can see, the default search engine has been changed to the Google. But some of the Google Chrome users complaining that they are changing the default search engine to the Google, but it keeps changing it to the Yahoo. So in case to fix this problem, the first things that you need to do is just go ahead and click on the second option called the Manage Search Engine and the Site Search. If you click over here, just scroll down a little bit, and then under the search engine, you'll get to see three different options as your default search engine. For me, I have selected the Google Chrome from here. If you want that the Google Chrome is going to be the default search on your Chrome browser, then simply delete other search engine from here. So simply just go ahead and click on this three-dot option and then click on delete, and then delete from here. And then also do the same thing for the others one. Click on delete and it will be deleted, and hope that this process will work for you. But if you see that you did this process but you are having the same problem, then the next things that you have to make sure, just go ahead and scroll down from the action menu and then go to the extension and see that any unknown extension has been added to your extension or not. This problem could be happen for the virus and malware, so just make sure that any unknown extension has been added to your extension or not. If you see anything, then just go ahead and remove the extension from your Chrome browser and hope that this problem is going to be solved. So after checking this out, you just get back from here, and the next things that you need to make sure, just go ahead and click on reset and cleanup, and then go to the second option, clean up computer, and then select this option, find harmful software. If you click over here, it's gonna detect if you have any harmful software on your computer or not. It will take a little time, so just be patient until this process is being completed. Well, if no harmful software found, just get back from here and then click on the first point and then just reset your Google Chrome setting. So, well, you just go ahead and click on reset setting and hope that this process will help you out to fix this problem. So guys, this is how you can easily change or switch the Yahoo search to the Google search on your Chrome browser. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.